Well, putting this irrigation valve in isn't a big deal. I just have a lot of cutting and gluing to do. This valve has a solenoid valve, it's actuator right up here. It has two wires. Doesn't matter which side of the controller this gets connected to, as long as it's connected to ground on one side and the signal line for this particular valve. Now I've wired the controller so that the white wire that comes all the way down through is going to turn this valve on. And it actually isn't a ground, it's actually the equivalent of a neutral, because this is an AC signal. Now in order to make this work, I need to be careful about how I plumb it. There's an inlet side right here, so I need to put an elbow that connects to the bottom of this pipe right here. And then I need another elbow, and an elbow coming up to the distribution head for the irrigation system. I have everything except the fitting that goes to the irrigation head. I'm going to talk to Irene a little later on and see if we can figure out if we have one somewhere. I've been through everything in the utility building, so there's no fittings that I can find there. There might be there, but we'll go double check. In the meantime, let's get started with plumbing this up. Well, I've glued up the sprinkler valve. Water comes in on this side, goes up through this part of the valve. The solenoid opens the valve and water comes out and goes up here. Now what I'm missing still is I'm missing a fitting that will hold the distribution head onto this upright. All I need to do now is glue this onto the pipe that comes down. Next, I'll be wiring up this valve. I just have to run it across the rest of the way on the greenhouse, down the pole, splice the wires in, and then we get to try it out. So much fun. Well, now we can give a shot at seeing if this valve works. That's it. Took a little time, but it's pretty easy. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications, because we got a lot more stuff going on. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey, don't forget to brainstorm. We are.